Here's, I'm gonna sneeze. Sorry. Oh my god, I have to stop saying that. Who? Email. Oh my god, guys! Update about the logo. The glow logo. I'm gonna sorry. Fuck's sake. Sorry. Just a sec. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Excuse me. How you guys feeling? Comment down below how you're feeling and if you're sick. I'm not sick. I'm not. Just there's lots of dust in this room. Stifling just makes it worse. I don't want to let it out. I think that's all I'm gonna do. I can't talk anymore. Bye.
And I wanted to wear dresses like this with shoulder pads. Thank you. And return form. I don't know. I usually never return things. Either I keep it with a hope that someday it will fit miraculously, or I just give it to my daughter or something. Okay. I hate when I sneeze. Sorry for my sneezing thing. I do have some issues with my nose, so when I do start sneezing, I sneeze a lot. Okay, look at this. It looks kind of... Okay, I'm just gonna kind of see if I can fix the yellow. Maybe I shouldn't, because if I put more pink in here... I don't know if you've seen on my Instagram that I am pregnant. And right now I am like 18 weeks. It is the premiere party and I wanna... Very traumatic. We all got sick in separate rooms, so I couldn't record you guys all snotty. No energy, no breastfeeding. Very
are just like allergies.
It's chewing this one, puppy. Oh, oh, oh.
You are such a brat. Can't believe you're recording me. Ugh.
Caraca, vou espirrar. Ó, não filho dela. Tiago. Não, Diana, ele foi o filho dela. Então. Tá bem? Morreu agora. Ai. Continuando falando, então. Ele tá liderando pela primeira vez, né, no campeonato. E é isso aí. Flamengo.